So Kano's been playing in the water, and hey, then he went digging. Stand up, show everybody how pretty you are. Say, well, you gave me the water. What'd you expect? I was going to stay clean? Got his rock. Let's see how dirty you are. Where you going? You know your mother's not letting you in the house like that. So this is the hole that he was digging. You can get half a Great Pyrenees in there. And there's another one. That one's a little smaller. And we have this one that I've filled in a couple times that he keeps digging out. And then he didn't dig that one out, but he's been digging there. And digging there. Oh, there's the dirty boy. Oh yeah, we're gonna have fun with the garden hose. And some soap. Oh, he got his ball. You found it. Pretty dirty. Where have you had that at? Oh, we have a plum. Only one plum. This tree was covered with flowers, but they came at the wrong time of the year. We had cold and we had rain, and I'm sure nothing was pollinating then. It might have even been below zero or below freezing. We have one plum on that tree. Let's look at this other one. So I don't see any on this tree. We had a couple off this tree last year. The tree that has the one on it, that tree is supposed to taste like bubble gum. But this one, sadly, none of them made it. And this apple tree here was supposed to be Honeycrisp, which is covered in little apples. We got a few months for them still. Probably need to spray it soon. But these are not Honeycrisp. These end up being big yellow apples. This sickly looking peach tree is what keeps getting knocked over in storms. And this year, sad to say, we didn't get any blossoms. So we have no peaches. But what I've learned is that it's making blossoms on these branches for next year. So guess we'll see what happens next year. And then this apple tree, again, was covered in apples. Or is covered in apples. It was covered in flowers. Timing was a little better for the apple trees this year. And this will be Red Delicious. So we'll have a good crop this year of apples. Kano! Look at the dirt on that dog. Oi, oi, oi. This is our mint. It's doing really well. I think that's the spearmint and peppermint. And then, you know me, with my love for chocolate, this is chocolate peppermint or spearmint, chocolate mint, some kind. And I never planted it over here, but this is one sprig of asparagus that came up. Only ever get one. Well, there's two there, but that's all we ever get. Never comes up enough to harvest it and eat it. Here's the majestic beast. Look, the top of the head's not bad. Then we're gonna get down into here. Look at the neck, the feet. Back on this side of the legs, the belly. Mostly, I'd say the front end is definitely worse than the back end. But the back end's still dirty. Oh, look at that leg. Yep, I'm gonna get the hose and hose them down. Melt that mud, melt that mud. Might have to soften it up with a little water and come back to it. Yep, gonna wrap himself around that pole a little tighter. Alright, that side was wet, been wetted down, and that's going to take some rubbing. Hey, that tail's wet. The water's cold too, isn't it? Oop. Alright, gotta put the phone down for a little bit so I can rub some of this mud off him. Okay, so we got him cleaned up. He's shaken a few times. Now we gotta dry him out. We use some Kiwi Blossom Odor Control pet shampoo. It's got baking soda in it. Mom always complains when he gets wet that he smells like skunk. He got tangled up with a skunk a couple months ago. So hopefully that'll help. And we'll dry him with a couple towels. And by this time tomorrow, he'll probably be all the way dry.
What's up, everyone? Thanks for watching another edition of the adventure of Kano in the Rocks. Please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Everyone have a great day.